Hey guys, so this is your boy David Taste Bud with you once more, and I am on Barbican Road. Yes, I am on Barbican Road. So I find this fella right here that do is jerk chicken and also soup. Find out what does he do, you know, to make us feel good. Yeah man, so this is on Barbican Road, guys. Yeah man, like I said, I find them wherever they are, and I like this place that I find, guys. So you can stop right out here and come and check out. I'm gonna tell you his name later. Yes, if don't come out as yet, guys, more of one of them. Yeah man, but I'm gonna speak to the main person himself. So I'm gonna show you a little view of where I'm at right now on Barbican Road. Yes man, so you can pass Sovereign and come up the road. Yeah man, like you're going up to the hills. Yeah man, so I'm gonna show you a little view of where I'm at right now. Yeah, so this is Barbican Road right here. Right off here. Yes. Off here, so we go and see, you know, beautiful jerkman right here. Yes. So if you're going up the hill, nice guys. So you can come right off here. So beautiful, beautiful, nice.
Wait when the people live, man. You don't know, like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
Oh, that's how long here? 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock?
Yeah, man, until 11 o'clock at night. Man.
What?
Sometimes, you know, when the girls them get together out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we stay at
so this is a big boss chef right here. So you're gonna tell him your name right now.
Tariq is the name.
Tariq.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so Tariq, I come and tell me now, say boy, him is not such of a good chef, but I like him tell.
I call him modest.
Yeah.
Just be a modest.
Yes. So I'm here with Tariq. So what you say now, him don't really put on a lot of chicken right now. Him just put a little few piece, you know, in case if someone come. Yeah. Like earlier I was sitting down waiting on Tariq, someone come and say, chef, but just answer to the name.
Yeah.
Chicken ready? I said, no, soup is ready. Yeah man, so I said check about the next 25 minutes.
Yeah.
So you know soon come. Yeah man, so over here is we have this good old soup.
Cow skin and beef.
Cow skin and beef. Yeah man, right in here we have a good old soup, cow skin and beef. Wow, Tariq, wow.
Yeah, man.
See there. So hold on, let me make something with Tariq.
Yeah.
So I meant to ask you this earlier. You do juice. You don't do juice.
No.
Don't the juice.
No,
man. So if you're sitting here with my sport, no, I know a lot of person that sport the same here.
Yeah.
I mean, I gonna say sports because they will get offended. You know, Rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But
even Rasta might stop here and say, fire. You know they call Rasta out here in Jamaica fire. So you might say fire. You know, the natural juice. That's chicken alone. Chicken alone, Tariq.
Yeah, just chicken alone.
Chicken alone. But I think you need to do the natural juice.
Natural juice is very close by still enough. We have a cousin right next door.
That do the natural
juice. Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful.
So easy to get things.
Beautiful. And I like to hear you what you're in right now. Because I was saying to him earlier that why never put up some chair right over there, you know?
Yeah.
Just sit back and watch the car them passing by. You know, sit back and watch the car them passing by. Now I saw the big truck them too, you know. Yeah, man, watch the big truck them and I eat my chicken and drink my soup and you know, you don't know no snacks now, nothing.
No, not yet.
So earlier we was talking about jelly water. You were saying that in the making, not now. You were saying why that's in the making, so you can come get your jelly water, sit back and alongside the wall right there, you know, take the view over that place they call it Sovereign?
Sovereign Knot, yeah.
Sovereign Knot. And you have the next one down the road now, Sovereign Center.
Yeah.
You cannot miss Tariq right here, man, guys. And I was showing you guys earlier about the beautification of the road. So when you leave from Sovereign and come right up this side, you must see Tariq, one and only jerkman right here. So Tariq, you know him? What them call you?
Well, alright, them call me Dubs too.
They call you Dubs?
Dubs. Yeah.
I think when you put something on that, you know, Dubs the jerkman. Yeah man, Dubs the jerkman. And I want my man place clean too, you know. Nice, you know, clean, like I always say, you know. I was passing by one day and see the beautiful white tent. You know, when I take a look right over here and see the beautiful white tent. Yeah. And I say, I come by here and I say, what kind of clean place? I think it's a party I keep. But it wasn't a party. A chicken man I do. So I say, yo, you know, so I come do a little thing over here. And here right today. Yeah, but look at most of the things Easter bun is not Tariq. the fire chip, but I go look piece of alongside the bun, the bread, you know.
Yeah, but we gave it the Easter bun last week.
Oh, so Tariq said, boy, if I was here last week, customer appreciation day.
Every day.
And I get Easter bun.
Yeah.
It'll get used to
The right one, you know? The one
Right.
with cheese.
Nice, nice. So guys, I'm here with Tyreek right now. Nothing has finished as yet. I mean, the soup is finished.
Yeah, man, soup
I'm gonna
ready.
try the soup.
Soup is
I'll let you
normally
tell
ready
you.
by 12 o'clock.
Oh, soup ready by what time?
About 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Nice,
Chicken
nice.
normally like 2 or 3 o'clock.
All right, cool. So this is the name of the place we're at right now. Yes. What Tyreek was saying, we're gonna expand that name so you put it out on the front of the road, you could see it.
Exactly.
Yes, man. Yeah, right, guys. Under here is nice. And if you come very early and Tyreek don't finish, don't worry, you can go right under the sycamore tree. Sorry, man, on the mango tree. And you can sit right on the mango tree right here and wait on Tyreek to finish chicken for you. Nice lawn. Yes. I like the home settings, you know, when they do the home settings alongside the roadway right here. Yeah, man. And the sun very hot, you know, so I see a long time school friend, you know, sitting by me and water. Yeah, man, so same come with water right there. Yes, guys.
No, he must have said me and me the right man. He said that. Because me have all authority. He said that. A man's stomach.
I come with my camera too, you know, like people know where I go on.
No, reality, I mash up a man gut with them fuck with it.
Yeah, but sometimes people put a lot of seasoning
No,
chicken too.
no matter how you put seasoning.
You know that chicken can cook without seasoning, right?
Yeah.
That's strictly the ground provision like
Yeah.
Irish and carrot
And simmer it down in the pot
and
same way.
what the thing name again?
Sure.
Scallion.
Time
Yeah, without seasoning.
without them false powder
But-
there.
Jamaica is spicy country, so you can get that.
Without them false
Yeah.
right name there.
Yeah.
All you want is just crush out the pimento, beat it tonight and rub it tonight.
Oh,
Stab up the
guys.
meat.
Stab up the meat.
Yeah, man, stab up the meat and you see.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So it's a good old pork. Yeah, man. So when you harder your pork, you get your pork. So it's when them harder the pork, you bring it out.
Just
Or-
kind of started later, but guys.
Oh, you're not allowed to do the pork late.
No, I'm starting because it kind of prepare
Oh.
somewhere else.
Oh,
You just come
okay.
and jerk it. Yes, it don't really take long to jerk like chicken.
Like
so,
chicken. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Great.
You know, they can jerk in 10
Nice.
minutes or so.
Yes, this is good old pork right here. Nice. Yeah, man. So there were great vibes going on. So what me get to understand now, you don't really load up the thing with chicken.
No.
Oh, so
Just
you
keep-
do it by how the crowd come in and stuff.
Yeah, just keep it consistent.
Oh, I figure more or less.
Yeah.
More or less. So hold on there. Enough time people are coming and vex with you then, man. Because when me come and want piece of chicken now, you have to go wait.
Yes. Yes, we prefer you wait 10 minutes then.
Yes.
You get that
That-
chicken
that
was
get
ready
one with cold.
an hour ago.
Yeah. That's good. That's
Yeah.
good. Instead of fear I get a little cold piece of chicken, this man now does say, make your order, come back for it later.
I really late, you know, but you know.
No, why you say that? Because what I'm going to say to you now, no, you're probably going to leave your number in the description. So, you know, if a person wants something, because you make an order for your lunch today.
Yeah.
So, at the same thing now, them can call you and say, yo, you know, someone, you have chicken ready? No.
Mm.
How long? I was all right, Ray. Exactly. So, you can leave your number in the description and let them come and order, you know, call you and make an order. So,
That
you can
is
tell
it.
them, my number, man.
That is it. 843
Yeah.
2427.
Repeat it again?
843
Yeah.
2427.
Nice. So you just call him and just put on a little order. You get the chicken.
Man, 20,
Beautiful.
24 in a
See it
month.
right there? Beautiful. Yeah, man. So all these on the grill right here is people call him to, you know, but they don't really call him by the number, and just call him out. Call him out and say, yo, may I come back? So see there.
Yeah.
So all this bucket right here is what chicken in it?
Yeah.
Chicken in this bucket and water and wash him hands. Very good. Cleanliness we say. Yeah, man. See it right there, so yeah, man. So you serve chicken with bread.
Exactly.
I serve the chicken with bread. So much of this, what's it called? It's a quart, right?
Yeah.
How you sell this?
Call it $800.
$800 a quart. Nice. So you see a jerk chicken. Oh, and we got places and them jerk chicken back there. But jerk chicken back there?
No.
Chicken neck.
Do the neck sometimes though.
You do neck already?
Yeah.
Oh, So
It's
the
not,
next.
it's not the thing that we put on practice though, you know, but sometimes we just do it for ourselves, our close friends, or whatever the case might be, because something that, you know,
Oh, nice, nice.
tasty and nice to catch up.
Nice. So you have 2 jerk pan right here, you know. What's in the next one normally? Pork?
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometime pork. So is it light right now? No?
No.
It's not light right now.
No.
Oh. So it depends on the crowd later now. You might light it and put on the next batch of chicken over there. Nice, nice, nice.
Oh,
Well,
no.
I soon tell this man if I go do a porridge show a man in time, you know, but he might say no. You might say no.
Every idea can be considered, you know,
Of
but,
course,
you know.
of course. Yeah,
Also
man.
have our special pepper sauce there, you know.
Oh, you build it with pepper sauce?
Yeah, we build our own pepper
So what
sauce.
teach you
call
to
it-
do? Oh, your mother?
No, the originator, as I tell you, the recipe that was here before me.
Before
the
you.
secret
Oh, the secret.
recipe was
So
here
you wish to
before
let out
me.
the secret? You're going to show him, but you're not let out the secret.
You have to come find
All right,
it. You have to
regular
come
look
taste
on
the
it.
secret,
Regular
you
look
know.
on it. Regular look on it.
Yeah, man.
So like I said,
Pepper sauce that filling, you know?
see it right here?
They connect everything, the chicken
Nice
with
right here.
it. Yeah,
Nice. So this is a secret ingredients on your your jerk chicken.
call it so. The secret
Nice.
pepper sauce, man. They connect
Nice.
everything.
So hold on, it have a name? I just name secret.
Monster.
Monster is the name.
It's the monster
Is
pepper
it
sauce.
it's about peppery.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
But
So
it complemented the chicken, you know?
oh, so what you saying is compliment chicken.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. All right. So you see, what we're talking about this morning now, that good fair look at jelly them line up on the wall right there, so and some of the igloo. Hello, I feel like I'm gonna bust him with about 13 jelly. You know. I start him off with can start with 13 jelly.
Like you want to see the jelly out there,
Of
man.
course,
Just bring
man.
the jelly them come.
Bring the jelly them come.
Bring the
yeah,
jelly
man,
them
come there drinking 2 jelly, man. I tell you right now, the time very hot, you know.
Especially in the hot sun there for sure.
Right, man. So the time very hot, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Jamaica, listen, man.
That is it.
Yeah, man. So, guys, like I say, we are here, and we're gonna watch until the customer them come. And we're not left to see some customer, man. Yeah, man. And the big old pot of soup right over there. So, try the soup earlier. Very good. Very good. So, yeah, guys. So let us show you out on the road again. Yeah. So out here, right down there, we get Sovereign. Come from Sovereign. Yes. And over here is have the North Sovereign. So they call over here the North Sovereign right over here. Yes. And up the road, you can take yourself go back to Barbican. Yes, and up in the hills. What do you call it? Jackson?
Yeah, Jackson.
Jackson. Yeah, man, you can drive here, go to Jackson.
We
Nice.
have Mountain Spring.
Oh, go straight up on the hill.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Yeah, man, so like I said, guys, beautiful spot. Don't worry about the parking. You can park right over there. You park right over there, anywhere you want to park. At the front or at the back. Nice. And come right over here. You get a good old jerk. Nice. So like I said, guys, we stick around and you can see what go on. Yeah, man. Yeah. We stick around. It's the smoke in the chimney that come out, you know. Yeah, man, that's the smoke. So things are going on earlier. We never see no smoke. The smoke going on now. Nice. So what you're saying now, the guy that do it before you, where is he now? Is he passed away?
Yeah, he passed away.
Is that your father?
No, good friend.
Oh, good
Monster,
friend.
his name.
His
That's
name
hence
is
the
Monster?
Yes, yes.
Oh. Oh, is that elderly person?
Not really elderly, you know. Maybe in his early 50s.
Early 50.
Late, yeah.
Nice.
Just health complications, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
So you just carry on the work same way?
Yes, man.
Can't
The
let it go,
legacy
man.
live on, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
the
the
that
legacy
is why I know the
just-
sauce come near Monster.
Alright.
That's why you need some Monster jelly and some Monster juice.
Connect.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So like I say, guys, it's the best jerk man around here, man. There's no other jerk man on this block. No other jerk man on this block unless you're gonna go way around the embassy side, run by Northside Plaza. You don't want to go so far. Yeah, man. You come right here.
And that's not fair because they can't compare.
Ah.
They can't compare.
I feel like this like a Rastaman can sing, you know. Just give me a rhyme a while ago. Yes, just give me a rhyme a while ago. Well, Rastaman full of rhymes, you know, them full of rhymes.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, them man are full of rhymes and some positive vibes too.
everything.
Every time. Yeah, man. So you normally play music and thing?
Yeah.
Well, because I'm here now and say, boy, you know, we'll lock off the music till you go on with your business.
No, man, you don't have to go away, you know. You can stay and
Yeah, man, we're gonna stick around,
catch a
man.
vibe yourself.
We're gonna stick around. We're not coming for this you know, like heat and leave. We're going to come and stick around until you leave, till you done.
Alright.
Of course. Yeah, man. No, I do. Wash the plate already from home, you know. Yes. Wash the plate from home already. Yeah, man. So when you dig it up like that now, you make the smoke or the flame. Why do that? Oh. So I'm going to dig it like that. Yeah, dig it like that. So Fridays and Saturday, that's what's going out here. Fridays and Saturday. Nice. Try to come in and see me and stop. Stop. Yeah, so we're gonna look at some chicken right now. Yeah, guys, look at some chicken. Yeah, man. You see what is going on? Good. Yes.
It's the freeness to even hang out.
Yes, I'm the great chef under the tree. I'm gonna have a reasoning, you understand me? I say, yeah, man, see the great chef right there. Yeah, man, the great chef over here. Nice. Yeah, man, so I tell the chef boy, I say, come boil some porridge, man. I said, some alcohol porridge. Some nice peanut porridge. You understand? Yeah, man, like early before him start him chicken and him. Oh, you do fish though? Why? Soup. Oh, yeah, fish on the top of the head. Yeah. Come. Oh, so you don't do fish as yet, but him have it in the head. So let's assume you mean like next year, this year. Yeah, I mean, yeah, cool jerk pan. I mean, if it's not the pork, it must be the fish. So what you probably can do now is like fish on a Friday maybe and chicken, or pork on a Saturday and chicken. So you have a day when you do two, unless you get 3 jerk pan. Yes, unless I get 3 jerk pan. So you see, chef, I have to give me more food tonight, you know, for the advice I give, you know. I don't want a piece of chicken, I want one whole of fowl. You do the head too? No, if you jerk the head too.
No, I left it at the neck.
You left it at the neck. Boy, yo, you know, some say people jerk chicken head already though.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Do some man, I'll eat it.
Yeah.
No, man, I say I don't want to try that, brother. Fowl head. Yeah, man, he push out the fowl himself and peel the head. Wow. Yeah, man said no, it's nothing, man. Yeah. So, beautiful lens, guys. Trust me. See under the tree, the sun blazing out there. I mean, now feed it right now.
Only thing is short is some jelly water, though.
Jelly water, we short. You see it, no, you know? Jelly water. We need the jelly water. Yeah, man. So I'm here with my soup. Beautiful. So, how much a cup of soup like this?
That's $3.50.
$3.50 for the servings. Nice. So, we're gonna take a dive right now in the soup. So this is the soup, the finishing touch. Yeah, man. Oh, my people them know me not like pepper in it, but we're like this too nice to throw away. Can't throw it away, but it's very tasty. Wow. Just one go and I'm tasting everything inside of it. Sorry guys. Nice. Chef, I know I'm not a dumpling, no. I'm not a dumpling. The last time I cussed about dumpling, no. So come the dumpling in this. How you know? Jamaican, you know. Soup without dumpling is not soup. So if you never know, I tell him no. Soup without dumpling is no soup.
You don't get two dumpling in a comes Spanish water.
This is not Manish water.
But you know, the dumpling is Spanish water soup. The name Spanish water.
Is Manish water this?
No.
Exactly, this is not Manish water. So what am I saying? This is not Manish water. This is soup.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, but I'm not Manish water.
No, it's soup. You know what Manish water, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so one guy here don't know Manish water, you know.
Oh, they
Real
don't.
Jamaican. See me, I bring him in, you know. See me? He don't know your Manish water, you know. I can tell me, say the soup me I drink a Manish water.
Me never tell you Spanish water.
You know what is Manish water?
You tell the man about Manish water.
All right.
The only soup or dumpling that come in a Manish water. You work your ears. And listen.
So I must say no, dumpling don't come in Manish water. Oh, dumpling come in Manish water. No water. I want to this I call Manish water.
Most your water.
So here's where you come and get your soup and your jerk chicken every Saturday and Friday. Okay, so you don't mind tell my friend him that. Me know she no shy, man. See right here. Yes, so you come here
So I come here every Saturday
Yes.
and Friday
For your-
jerk chicken and sometimes soup.
Wow.
Right now I'm getting it's cow skin soup, yeah?
Yes. So hold on, does it do something for you? Does it do something for you? That cow skin and that whatever recipe you have inside here, does it do something for you?
I mean the soup tastes good and right now I'm kind of feel for some soup. So.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I gotta tell him something though. I want to watch her from today, you know, because I know you think I do something for her, you know. Because I know so when she just come here, she never look like this, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so she come to get her soup. Yeah, man, so this is where she come for her good old soup on Fridays and Saturday. Yeah, man, but you feel for soup now. So later, I'm gonna buy your chicken later.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Okay, alright. I mean, you can follow me, you know, Dave and Taste Bud. You can.
Dave
give me-
and Taste Bud.
Dave and Taste Bud.
Davian.
Yes, Dave and Taste Bud. The chef just showed a little small cup. Nice, right there. And this is this beautiful, clean table. Yeah, man. So, hold on then. I forgot to ask you this. Like I I like your little ends. Not even like I say it. I love your ends. Can somebody come over here and say, boy, I'm not like people party or something over here?
No.
No.
But they can come chill though.
Oh, they can chill.
Bring their friends and whoever and just
so it's
chill out, but
alright.
no renting or booking.
No, that's not going right. Just great.
It's a nice place, like you said, the ends off.
Yeah, man, the ends very beautiful.
Like you say, you have everything else you need.
Yeah.
2024 hip strip.
Nice.
Kingston hip strip, you know?
Yes. And right over there, like I said, guys, you have all type of business going over there. You have I don't even want to promote them. I'm here for the chef, so I'm not going to even say it. So when you leave from him right here, you can go over there and see what you want.
Yeah, if you feel like.
If you feel like. You might just come here.
Matter of fact, you can park your car over there.
You park your car over there
and
come and check the chef right over here.
Yeah.
Just like what I did.
Yeah.
That is what I did. I parked my car right where is that car coming from? I parked my car around that side. Yes. Yeah, man. So I like it. So you know, man, get crowd out here in the day or in the night?
In the evening time.
In the evening?
Yeah.
Like 5 o'clock?
5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
Great.
Yeah.
So what time you normally finish right here?
Anytime we really feel like lock off, once the crowd kind of go away.
Oh.
Yeah, because even when the food done, sometimes you have people that just want to chill out.
Oh, and there's one. Yeah. Car right is so very beautiful and cool. Nice.
Huh?
So I can see some of
Nothing
the
already
chef.
yet. Nothing already yet.
So I'm here very early with the chef, you know. Very early with the chef. Very early with the chef. You see the pan, you know, you have so much smoke because I'm not ready to keep up a storm as yet.
No.
Yeah, man. So as soon as the storm start. Nice. Nice. Alright, so we're there, man. So guys, we'll show you when everything are finished, you know. We're here with Tariq. I'm on your food.
I darling.
See the good old chicken, man. See the good old chicken. Finger licking, yeah. Yeah, man. So we're gonna take a dive right now. Alright. What is it? Feels good, man. Yo, Jerky.
Yeah.
I'm from last night this season up.
Yesterday.
From yesterday? Whoa. No, man. Season to the bone. Season to the bone. Yeah, guys, season to the bone. Yeah, man. Nice, man. Yeah.
You know, one season called spicy to the bone, you know.
So, hold on, you put the command stop on it?
No pepper.
You put the command stop on it?
Yeah.
Guys, Monster is the seasoning, you know. The one that he create, Monster. Yeah, man. The special seasoning. Feels very good. Yeah. One talk and heat, but there's something hot. Yeah. Yeah, man. Like I said, guys, you can't miss. Once I leave down the road from Sovereign coming up, there's the next Sovereign here near North Sovereign. You cannot miss. Just look across. Coming up to the right, you must see the big old jerk pan under the white tent. Cannot miss. Nice. So on Fridays and Saturday, that's when you get him. Yes. So, Dave and Taste Bud, catch you guys again. Peace out.